My name is Shanear, and I specialize in performing as well as songwriting and choreographing. I'm going to share a part of my journey on how I first got started with performing arts. Around the age of 3, I would dress up and I'd put a step stool in front of the TV, putting on a show for my mom. I'd perform songs that I came up with from the top of my head, and I'd say that's when it first started. My mom saw something in me and decided to sign me up for talent showcases, as well as TV show auditions like Disney's Shake It Up. Even though I never got any callbacks or won any talent showcases, I still believed in myself, and so did she. From the age of 9 years old, I danced with the Sarasota Ballet, and I think I learned a lot of valuable lessons from my 7 years of dance. It was difficult. Many days we worked non-stop, perfecting steps. Oftentimes I was singled out, and I barely had any actual friends. But I continued to build myself, and I was casted for many performances like the Nutcracker and yearly shows. I take a lot of inspiration from older artists who came before me, like Janet Jackson, Freddie Mercury, and Aaliyah. I find that spending time alone, whether I'm working out, writing music, or endlessly dancing, I feel like it's pushing me closer to becoming a global music artist. Through life, I believe we've all met failure. However that may feel or look, it's up to you to let that stop you from making your goals. It's hard when you don't see progress, but I think it's even harder for me to quit on myself. And I think that's been the biggest challenge throughout this journey. I never know when to rest, and I'm constantly thinking about new ideas, whether that be songs or movie ideas. My mind is never silent. I also think that confidence plays a really big role in your success. You should always be your #1 fan, because your confidence and your support can carry you throughout many dark times in your life. But I truly can't say that I've learned these skills on my own. I had a lot of great advice given to me throughout the years. Even if I didn't understand it at the time, it always came back to me. My mom/manager was the first person to believe in my gift and help me grow into a true artist. It's important to have positive people within your life. I've learned that friends can tend to hold you down from your goals. I'm most proud of my growth. Though hard work and training helps build skill, I believe that working on your mental health is also important to becoming successful. Right now, I'm currently working on new music. And lastly, I'd like to say, to be patient, good ideas take time to craft. Don't only focus on your future, because you can miss out on the present in front of you. Thank you.